Frigidaire Refrigerator Repair Services in Los Angeles specializes in Frigidaire refrigerator repair that consists of Frigidaire refrigerator freezer repair, Frigidaire French door refrigerator repair, along with all other Frigidaire refrigerator repair. If your refrigerator is not cold enough, or your refrigerator water dispenser is not working, if your refrigerator ice maker is not working, if your refrigerator is not defrosting, if your refrigerator is noisy or loud, maybe your refrigerator has defrost drain problems, or your refrigerator is leaking water, whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 877-309-7770.